kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is dedicated to a subscriber of mine. Her name is Carissa and she followed me on YouTube, also followed me on Instagram. She had a very specific question about dip powder and, you know, doing the gel method with dip powder and adding like glitters and mylar flakes. Now, she was using the BEETLES base gel and top gel as her gel for the gel method. Now, you guys know I don't do dip. However, I am determined to figure out and answer her question. So, the question was, she made her own mix between the clear, I believe, dip powder mixed with glitter, and then also tried to adhere the mylar flakes, but for whatever reason the flakes just weren't sticking. So we're gonna try it out today. I have the exact same mylar flakes as she has. I did tell her that, and I also have BEETLES, as you can see. I do not have the exact dip powder she was using, but this is the IGEL Beauty Dip and Dap. This is their clear, and it can be used as a dipping powder and used as a traditional acrylic. So I'm hoping I can do the gel method dip with this. So we're gonna do this. This is for you today, Carissa. We're going to figure this out because, like I told her, I am determined to help. And that goes for any one of my beautiful subscribers, kitties. If you guys have a question, and if I have the answer, I will always help you. All of my subscribers know that. And if I don't have the answer, as you can tell, we will work this out together, okay? That is the purpose and point of my channel. I love helping as much as I can. If anyone else in the comment section does dip powder using the gel method, please drop comments in the section. Help each other out. Just in case I mess this up. I just want to make sure that someone who does can leave the steps down below for both Carissa and myself, because like I said, I don't do dip. If you hear any background sound, that's just my bracelet. It keeps like banging on the table. I think I'm gonna take that one off. I love this bracelet though. Mustard seed faith. Okay, I'm gonna put her down just for a second because she keeps banging. So what we're gonna do is we are going to mix some of the clear, and I'm going to use a glitter mix that I have, that I mix myself. And the only reason why I'm using one I mixed myself is because if this works, then I believe it would work for my subscriber, because this mix has like a bunch of different size glitters in here and shapes and things like that. So we're going to try. So we're going to do equal parts of a mix here. 1 second. I feel like I need to get some better measurements, right? So I have my 1/4 of a teaspoon little measuring spoon. I was going to use this, but that would just take 10 years. So let's see how it goes. We're going to go in 1, 2, 3. Let's do this in 3 parts, guys. So 3 parts of 1 1/4 teaspoon. That's how much clear dip and dap or dipping kind of acrylic. I'm gonna shake up my custom mixed glitter. This is my old label, guys. I have this as the old label and I put the new label on top. This is why I kept this one for myself. All right, so we're gonna open this up, and as like I said, it's like different facets to this glitter here. So we're gonna go in and go right down in, and let's see. I don't know how those chunks, I don't know how chunks would work. I'm trying not to get too many of those chunks, but I think this would be okay. I'm just gonna put one in, right? Put it to the side, and we're going to shake it up. And I know I'm gonna make a mess, so let me cover this one back up as well. Okay. Oh yeah, these are my St. Patty's Day nails. Now, yes, I know my lines suck. I'm not that good at line work, like straight line work. I'm not that good at that yet, I will admit. I'm actually not. However, if I need to make like a tree or a landscape, it comes out pretty good. I'm working on this. I was in a rush. But yeah, see, this is my St. Patty's Day nails. Yay. Anyway, let's do this. So we're gonna try it now. Let's see, let's mix this up really good. I think I remember I did a ratio of 3 to 1, 3 parts the dip and dap dip powder, because I can't really call it a dip powder 100% because it's advertised as both. So I'm gonna say dip and dap. I'm just hoping that for true dip powder acrylic, it would work the same way. So it was 3 parts the dip and dap from IGEL Beauty and 1 part glitter. And I tried not to get those super big chunks in there because I don't think that would work very well. So Carissa, if you have super big chunks, I don't think the glitter part would work, but let's see. So I have my swatch stick here. I buffed the surface of it. And you guys tell me if I'm wrong, but you go in with the base gel first as your foundation, right? Cure it for 60 seconds. So we're gonna do that. And like I said, I'm using Beetles, and I absolutely love Beetles as well. I think they're really good and affordable. Okay, so she's cured for 60 seconds. And then what I'm going to do is go back in with a fresh coat of base again. Right? I'm not doing this super neat, guys. Don't judge me. Right? Then I have this little doohickey. And let's zoom in. And I'm going to take our mixture, and I'm going to do a pour over mixture. A pour over instead of an actual dip. So we're going to do that. Let's pray for the best here, guys. Okay. So after I do that, I'm going to cure this again for 60 seconds. Okay, so it's been cured for 60 seconds. So we're going to go back again. I'm going to, because I don't want anything in my base coat, guys, I'm going to take my little duster brush here. I'm going to brush off any excess that may be there. Hope you guys can see. Right? And then I'm going to do it again. Take another coat, base. Another coat of the Beetles base. And something stuck. Okay. And a nice good coat again. I don't do dip. It's kind of cool though now that I'm doing the gel method of it. Let's see. We're going to cure this again for 60 seconds. Okay, so while that's curing, I'm going to show you the mailer flakes. Now, these flakes are pretty chunky. Like, they're really big flakes, you know? So I would definitely go in and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces so that I have smaller chunks, like maybe these in the corner right here, to work with. So that's probably what I'll be using. Okay, so she's cured. This is the second coat. I'm going to do, sorry, one more for good measure here. And I'm going to hope that it works out. Over here looking very naked. So let's hope that I get some more glitter stuck to that side. Let's go in on that side first. After I free poured, I cured again for 60 seconds. So that was a total of 3. Okay, so after I cured it for that 3rd time, you're going to see me go in one more time with the Beetles base. And then you're going to see me use my nail art brush. I added a little bit of the Beetles base to the bristles. That's like a tongue twister. The Beetles base to the bristles anyway, of the brush. And then I'm going to use that nail art brush to pick up the lara flakes and adhere them to the nail. Now, I do suggest trying to use flatter pieces. The mylar flakes are cut like shards. They're kind of irregular, and some pieces are chunkier than the other. So just for Carissa and all my other subscribers, if you're going to adhere things like this after doing your dip, try to get flat pieces. It just helps you better. Like this piece I picked up, but I flipped it around and it laid perfectly flat. Stuff like that. This piece was kind of thick, so I had to take it off because I knew it would give me trouble when it came to like encapsulating it with the gel top coat. So that's pretty much what I did. I found flatter pieces that I could use to just adhere to the nail to add to the design. And I hope I was able with this video to help my beautiful subscriber, Carissa. Let me know how it works out. I hope I was able to help you. I really do. And anyone else who may have had or thought of doing this kind of a design, a custom mix glitter dip, you know, adding a little spunk to it by adding some mylar flakes, things like that. And using the gel method. I like I said, I don't do dip. However, this was actually really fun. So thank you, Carissa, for reaching out to me and for giving me the opportunity to try a different method. I want to do a lot more of this for this year of 2021. So any of my subscribers, if you have any questions, anything, let me know, guys. I would love to do more videos where I'm helping you with your very specific questions. I did not forget that I will be doing the rest of my nail studio tour, but I had to get this out for my subscriber because my whole channel is about helping and I want to help. So this is the nail after I've taken her out. I stuck the mylar flakes. I put her in 60 seconds. The mylar flakes did stick and adhere. So now I'm going in with a generous amount of BEETLES top coat because I want to make sure that I fully encapsulate the mylar flakes now. And after I do that, I cure again for 60 seconds. Okay, kitties, so this is the first cure of the BEETLES top coat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my buffer and I am going to buff the surface of what I just did because there are a few points that are kind of sticking up and you want this application to be as smooth as possible. So I'm just going over it with my buffer. Now I'm going in with my 80/80 grit file and I'm regaining the shape of the nail. You should also do that just like you would if you were doing any regular application with acrylic or gel or encapsulation, whatever it is, you want to regain your shape. I'm going to clean her off with a little bit of my swipe solution and a lint-free wipe, and then I'm going to apply a very thin layer again of the BEETLES gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, kitties, so this is it. Result, it's done.
Guys. That's it. So, Carissa, I hope this video was able to help you. I really hope it works
the
for
method
you.
I did.
And yeah, when you finish your nails, post it on IG and tag me so I can see how they came out. But again, I use the IGEL, the Dip and Dot Clear. I use the BEETLES base gel and the BEETLES top gel. I use these blue mylar flakes, and then I used my own glitter mix that has a few different glitters in it, chunky, fine, all of that good stuff. And yeah, the nails came out pretty dope. I hope I was able to help, of course, Carissa particularly, but anyone else. And please keep those comments coming. those questions coming. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any comments that can help anyone, please drop that in the comment section below. Guys, stay safe, stay blessed. God bless all of you. And until next time, bye, kitties.
Please, please, please.